Alright, we've got a few things to do today, but today is a tedious one. Yeah, this is my badge full of lapel pins that you've seen in a few other videos before, and I have a very tedious job to do. The way most of these go on is with these little clasps that fall off fairly regularly. A lot of these I have glued on because they fall off so often, but I've lost a couple of badges in the last trip that were kind of valuable to me, and one of them I did relocate after it had been walked on and damaged. So I made a bit of a purchase. I bought some of these little keepers. These are supposed to go on the shaft and lock on with a little grub screw. So we're going to try a few of these out, and by a few I potentially mean like 70 or so of them. So we're going to see how well these work on a couple of them, and if they do work, we're going to upgrade all of these. So I have myself a magnet here just in case, and these are resealable little Ziploc bags. I'm pretty impressed. They're reasonable quality. Everything went flying. Okay, so the grub screws are steel, but the keepers themselves appear to be stainless, like proper stainless. So let's change camera angles here. Try to avoid looking at the junky side of my desk. I haven't cleaned that up in a while. It happens. So one of these could fairly safely go onto here. Seems like I ordered the correct size ones. They're the smaller ones. I'll try and get a grub screw in this and see how it goes. Okay, so the second I took that clasp off, that pin did fall through, and we've got one of these in here. Let's tighten this up. So these do leave a bit of that spike poking through, but that's not the end of the world. But that is in quite firmly, and that doesn't feel like it's going to go anywhere anytime soon. So I kind of appreciate that. Yep, and if I want to make these permanent, I probably could just grind that little spiky bit off. But okay, so we've got like about 30 or 40 more of these to do. So we'll get going and update you on how things work. One little trick I did find is running the bit here through the magnetizer, and what we can do here with the grub screw is I can get it in the right orientation, put it on the end there, and it stays on there quite well. And then we can sit here and put this in here like so. So I'm going to pre-assemble most of these using the magnetic trick. We'll see how we go. I think the best way is to just simply drop these through the magnetized bit here, and that should magnetize them all. Anyway, let's come back to it. Alright, I've got 10 of them on so far. Some of these I glued in years ago. There's a big pad of super glue there. They might not come off so easily. I might have to dab a bit of acetone on them. But I'm going to keep going until most of the at-risk ones are done. I'll do all these up the strap in a moment, and yeah, we'll keep going until we run out of ones to do. Alright, I've got nearly all of them done, although these ones are the ones that are glued in extremely securely. I got a couple off with a bit of acetone, but these ones I'm going to leave as is. They're really well stuck in there. These ones are good. These are the ones that used to snag on everything. I don't think they will now. We'll see how they go. But I have a bunch of leftover little clasps here. I'll keep them for future use. And I've got a couple left over in that. I still have 2 more bagfuls up in there. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how these go. Hopefully I won't lose any of the valuable badges that I have on here from quite a number of years of collecting. In any case, we'll call it quits. This is more badges, I guess. We'll see you in the next one. And maybe I'll have an update for you later on. In any case, see you later.